Watch this. I'm going to show you how my custom GPT, the content coach which I created earlier, can help me to generate ideas for my next Facebook post. So let's prompt it. Help me to make free ideas for my next Facebook post. Let's see what he says. Yeah, my GPT is instructed to ask me questions first before giving me any idea. So because this is the way I wanted it, let me try to quickly answer the questions. Like question number one, my last Facebook posts were about maternity and networking and how hard it is for me to do. What topic or thought has been in your mind lately about that I have so much stuff to do and I really have no time and I feel like overwhelmed. Question number three, statement after recent post. Just people liked, I'm not a very popular blogger. I'm just writing mostly for myself because I want to express my thoughts. So I just got some likes and I got somebody writing me that my posts are inspiring. Question number four, are you trying to build on Facebook right now? I'm a personal I have a personal blog on Facebook, so I'm just writing about what is happening with me. So let's see what will be the results. Current theme, content phase, what's missing. Okay, next logical direction, the invisible workload of motherhood, the guilt of not doing enough, why I still write even when no one is watching. I love the last one. So why it was, so he can explain also. So this is how I actually instructed my coach to talk with me. So give me some strategy notes and explain me why it works. And you see, he gave me free logical directions. I can work with him further. So let's now create your own custom GPT, and the goal of this video is for me to explain you how to do it. So what is a custom GPT? Custom GPT is basically your own version of ChatGPT. You can give it instructions so it behaves exactly how you want. For example, you can create a content coach like I did now because I just wanted to write on Facebook some posts and I just have this problem with figuring out what. You can make your own writing assistant or research helper or business advisor, whatever you want. Think of it like training your own AI tool, which is really cool, right? So why use a custom GPT? Normally, when you use the AI, you have to repeat instructions or prompts every time. With a custom GPT, you set the instructions once and the AI remembers them every time you use it. And this makes AI faster, more consistent, and much more useful. So, important notes before we start and go further. So, number one is you need the paid version of ChatGPT. It is Plus, Team, or Enterprise. And second, you must use ChatGPT in a web browser on your computer. This feature does not work in the mobile app or on the app on the computer too, so it have to be in the browser. And once you have that, you're ready to create your custom GPT, what we are going to do now. So, step one, you need to open ChatGPT in your web browser. So you can see it's here that it's in my browser. Step number two, you go to explore GPTs here And you can see all different other GPTs which were created by other people, but we need to create our own. So you go to create. So step number 3, you see here all these fields you need to fill in. So it's important to be in the configure here. You can add a photo if you want. Name your ChatGPT. I will create just second content coach again. It will be 2. Okay, so add description. So you can put anything here, something like helps me with the post ideas. You can see on this side how you will like it's a demo, how it will show up in your ChatGPT. And instructions. So instructions are the most important part of the Custom GPT because this is where you explain your GPT, what do you want from it. So I have already ready instructions here which I created early, so I will just copy them here, but this is basically the prompt you're using and you want it to follow. So mine is kind of very long, very like detailed. And you can all add also conversation starters in this field. It's what will help you to start the dialogue. For example, you can write help me with their ideas. Yeah, you see, you will see these bubbles here. Step number 4, test your GPT. We can just try here something to make 3 ideas about, no, not about, for my Facebook, and see what it says. Yeah, so you see it's because I'm using the same instructions as I used to my older one, so that's why it gives the same start like as 3-5 questions. After you checked it, you liked it and everything, you just push the button create. And here you will see only me, anyone with the link GPT store. So you don't need anyone to see it because you're creating it only for yourself. You can just put it only me and save. Okay, let's see. View ChatGPT. Here it is. So your custom GPT will be here in GPTs, and you see this is my first one I created. This is the one we created now, Content Coach 2. And you see here the bubbles we wrote, you see here the descriptions, and you can start using it and write whatever you want and ask whatever you want. You can always edit your custom GPT. You just need again to go to explore GPTs, my GPTs here on the top, and here is the one which we just created. So you just push this pencil on the right and you're back to the body of your GPT, and you can change the instructions or whatever you want it to be. So the real power of a custom GPT comes from the prompt instructions behind it. And you can see here how big is mine. Has role, has objective, several even criteria, core principles, interactions modes, strategy notes, what not to do, what's my next step, theme, and viral strategy. This is to make actually the contact viral. This is I was specifically working on it. And constraints, so tone, and the end goal. So I also create prompts that turn NI tools like content coaches or writing assistants. If you want a custom prompt designed specifically for you, check the link in description. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.